morning everyone. My name is Mukesh Sisodia and I am a student of Agriculture, College of Agriculture Riva, 4th year, 2nd sem. And today I explain my presentation is seed production technology and my subject teacher is Dr. R.P. Joshi sir and my university is Jawaharlal Nehru Krishi Vidyalaya, Jabalpur. My topic is hybrid seed production of maize. Scientific name of maize is Zea maize, family Poaceae. Maize is one of the most important cereal crop in the world, grown over an area of 132 million hectare with a production of 570 metric ton. It is the crop with the highest productivity. Maize is serving as a staple food for valuable segment of the population, and it ranks first in importance as feed crop and also important source of raw material used in numerous industrial materials. Classification maize kernels, kernels, dent corn. It is characterized by a depression or dent in the crown of the seed. The starch at the side of the seeds is crenulous, while the soft starch extends to the narrow base or tip. Next is flint corn. The seed of flint maize are hard and smooth and contain little soft starch. Swift. Next is sweet corn. Content is a sweetish starch and is characterized by a translucent horny appearance when immature and a wrinkled condition when dry. Next is flour corn. Flour soft maize as granules which compose entirely of soft starch. And next is my favorite popcorn. The grains usually small point contain as an even higher percent of hard starch than flint maize. Pod maize. It is an usual type of maize, each kernel of which enclosed within the lemma and the pilia, which are well developed. And next is Vexi maize. Vexi maize is so named because of the somewhat waxy appearance of the kernels. Next is floral biology. The monoecious corn plant has female flower that developed on the side of the plant and emerge from the leaf node. The inflorescence is unisexual and monoecious. The staminate inflorescence is terminal and known as tassel, and the pistillate is axillary and called as cob. Next is anthesis and pollination. Anthesis and pollination. Maize is an example of protandry. Next point is pollen seeding begin 1 to 3 days before the silk emerge from the cob. It is estimated that a normal tassel produces 2.5 crore pollen grains. Pollen is viable for 12 to 18 hours. Silk remains receptive for 8 to 10 days. As anthesis continues up to 2 weeks. Hybrid, opal pollinated varieties, synthetic varieties, and composite varieties. Hybrid seed production. Hybrid seed production of maize may generally be produced from following different cross combinations. First is single cross hybrid A into B. Example DMH2 CI-4 cross by CDMI10. Double cross pollination. Double cross pollination A cross B cross C cross D. Example Deccan CM 104 into CM 105 bracket close into CM 202 into CM 201 bracket close. And another example of double cross is bracket CM 101 into CM 102 into bracket CM 200 into CM 202 bracket close. There three-way cross A into B bracket A into B into C. Example Ganga 5 double top cross. Example Ganga Safed starch and Ganga 4. Next page is factors affecting hybrid maize seed production. Planting ratio, non synchronization of flowering, genetic drifts, detasseling, mechanical admixture, rosing, physiological maturity of the crop, harvest seed crop, post-harvest operation, climate. Maize is grown in wide range of climate condition. About 85% of the total acres under maize in ground during monsoon. Because of the fact maize crop need more than 50% its total water requirement in about 30 to 35 days after drizzling, and indicate soil moisture at the seed filling stage result in a poor yield of survived seed. Soil. Next is soil. Deep fertile soil rich in organic matter, well drained soil are not preferred ones. However, maize can be grown on the variety of soil. Next point is soil should be medium textured with good water holding capacity, and the pH for better germination and growth of maize is the pH is between 6.5 to 7 pH. And